Which commandment is the most important of all? According to Jesus of Nazareth, by Eric Chamchoum. Welcome, dear viewers. This video explores one of the most profound questions ever asked of Jesus. Which commandment is the most important of all? And reveals his timeless answer, the words that shaped his faith and continue to inspire millions today. I dedicate this video to His Holiness, Pope Leo XIV, Robert Francis Prevost, whose pontificate renews the call to divine unity and love, echoing the eternal commandments spoken by Jesus. In the Gospel of Mark 12, 28-30, a scribe asks Jesus, "Which commandment is the most important of all?" Jesus answers directly with the Shema Yisrael. "Hear, O Israel, the Lord our God, the Lord is one, and you shall love the Lord your God with all your heart, with all your soul, with all your mind, and with all your strength." Mark 12, 29-30, see also Deuteronomy 6, 4-5. Now, let us hear in Hebrew, as Jesus himself would have recited it. Shema Yisrael, Adonai Eloheinu, Adonai Echad. ואהבת את אדוני אלוהיך בכל לבבך ובכל נפשך ובכל מאודך. The Shema Yisrael, Hear, O Israel, the Lord is our God, the Lord is one, was and remains the central declaration of Jewish faith. Every devout Jew recites it twice daily, morning and evening, as commanded in Deuteronomy 6, 4-9. Thank you for watching. What do you think about this video? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content.